This video shows how to install the power cable pass-through on an XR4000z. Before installing a power cable pass-through, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the XR4000z service manual at dell.com/support. In order to install the power pass-through cable, you must first remove the rear cover. To remove the rear cover, remove the 6 screws that secure the cover to the chassis. Then pull the cover to disengage it from the chassis. To install the power cable, remove the bracket cover by pressing the tabs, then rotating it away from the rear cover. Slide the power cable through the rear and click it into place, ensuring the correct orientation of the cable with 2 prongs up. Repeat this for the second power cable. Next, remove the witness sled blank by lifting the blue plunger and sliding it free of the chassis. With the blank removed, slide the power cables through the witness sled slot on the chassis. Install the rear cover by aligning and placing it on the chassis. Then replace the 6 screws to secure the cover to the chassis. Remove the 4 screws that secure the power cable hook assembly together. Place the power cables in and reassemble it. Next, slide the power cable hook into the chassis until the plunger clicks into place. Finally, connect the power cables to the power supply units. For more information or support, visit dell.com/support.